my friend, I can't stop with you again, because visions of living, life is season while I was sleeping, and the vision that was flooding in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In rested dreams I walk alone, now is still on cobblestone. In the hell of a still land, I turn my color to the cold, and then when my eyes stand by the flash of the neon light, to split the night and touch the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw to the neon that they made, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one there to start the sound of silence. Who said I do not know? Silent life of cancer glow. You're my world that I might reach you, and my arms that I might reach you, but my world like silence raindrops fell, and echo in the waves of silence. And the people bow and pray to the neon that they made, and the sign cries out this morning in the world as it was for me, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway wall, and come and home whisper in the sound of silence.